In this video, we will give step-by-step instructions on how to properly install the PURELL CXM manual countermount dispenser. First, if there is a dispenser currently installed, remove the existing dispenser and clean the counter surface of any residue or debris. Then, verify that the existing counter hole is 1 inch in diameter. If there is no hole in the counter, check below the counter to ensure there is adequate clearance for the new unit. Drill a 1 inch diameter hole in the countertop. Then, clean the counter area where the new hole is located. Next, remove the liner from the top of the adhesive gasket and affix it to the bottom of the dispenser. Then, remove the liner from the bottom of the gasket. Position the dispenser assembly by guiding the threaded stem through the hole in the counter. Make sure the spout is facing into the sink bowl. Press down firmly on the dispenser assembly to ensure it is securely attached to the counter. From underneath the counter, secure the lock washer and mounting nut. Then, tighten to the underside of the counter. After that, align the metal rod from the threaded stem with the small guide hole in the bottle support. Slide the bottle support up onto the rod. Secure the bottle support to the dispenser assembly by pushing the retaining clip into place. To install the refill, attach the straw to the new refill you will be installing. Then, feed the straw on the refill bottle up through the motor assembly and bottle support and dispenser assembly, aligning the 2 indents in the bottle and the support. Slide the bottle upward until it securely snaps into place. The refill is not properly installed until you hear the snap. When you need to clean the countermount system, use only mild soap and water. Do not use abrasives. That ends our installation of the PURELL CXM countermount dispenser. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact us.